Keep it steady, guide it right in. Basket's clear, lowering now.
What if I told you that the biryani you love, that perfectly spiced, layered, aromatic masterpiece, is being made here, not in someone's kitchen, but inside a massive industrial factory, producing thousands of kilograms every single day? That's right. Welcome to the world's biggest biryani factory, where ancient flavors meet cutting-edge food manufacturing technology. In this video, we're taking you on a complete behind-the-scenes tour from raw ingredients coming in through those giant factory gates all the way to perfectly packaged biryani, ready to be shipped across the world. We're talking about industrial rice washers that process hundreds of kilos in minutes, enormous spice blending machines with recipes perfected over decades, high-capacity marination chambers where the meat soaks up all that incredible flavor at scale, and precision cooking systems that maintain the exact temperature and steam needed to create that iconic dum biryani taste every single time. This isn't just food manufacturing, this is an art form at an industrial level. And trust me, once you see how it's done, you will never look at a plate of biryani the same way again. So make sure you watch this entire video, because we're breaking down every step of the process in detail. And if you're already impressed, drop a comment below and let me know. Would you eat factory-made biryani? And hit that like button to show some love. Let's dive in. All right,
it
let's
steady,
get
guide
into
it right
the
in.
heart of this operation. It
Basket's
all
clear,
starts with
lowering now.
raw material intake. Every single day, this factory receives tons of premium aged basmati rice, freshly butchered meat, and a mountain of fresh vegetables and spices, all quality checked before they even enter the production floor. The rice goes through an automated washing and soaking system, massive stainless steel drums that clean and pre-hydrate the grains to exact specifications. Too much water? Mushy biryani. Too little? Hard and undercooked. The machine gets it perfect every time. Meanwhile, over in the spice lab, industrial grinders and blenders are working non-stop. We're talking cardamom, cloves, saffron, star anise, fresh ginger garlic paste, all being combined in precise computer-monitored ratios to create the signature masala that goes into every single batch. The meat? It's tumbled and marinated in giant rotating drums, infusing every piece with yogurt, spices, and aromatics for hours. Then it moves into the high-capacity cooking lines, where temperature-controlled vessels recreate the traditional dum cooking technique at thousands of kilograms per cycle. The result? Perfectly cooked, layered biryani, packed, sealed, and chilled, ready for distribution within hours. The precision here is absolutely mind-blowing.
Load the next batch into chamber 2. Good. Proceed to the next row.
And that, my friends, is how the world's biggest biryani factory brings this iconic dish to millions of people every single day. From grain to
maintained at 2
garnish,
degrees.
every
Check mark
single
confirmed.
step is engineered
Breaking
for
the seal now.
consistency, quality, and scale
Seal
without
broken.
ever losing
Attaching
the
to the
soul
lock.
of the dish. What's truly incredible is how this factory has managed to honor a recipe that has been cooked in homes and restaurants for centuries and translated into a world-class manufacturing process. The technology, the precision, the sheer volume of production, it's honestly one of the most impressive things I've ever seen in food manufacturing. Now I want to hear from you. What was the most surprising part of this entire process for you? Was it the scale of the spice blending, the automated rice washing, or maybe the industrial dumb cooking chambers? Drop your answer in the comments section right now. I read every single one. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of food manufacturing, do me a favor, smash that like button. It truly helps the channel grow and brings more amazing factory content your way. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss our next big factory tour. We'll see you in the next one. Stay hungry, stay curious. Peace out.